channel. Welcome back to the life of Brittany. If you are new, welcome. If you're a returner, welcome back. Ooh. Bruh, something been in my... Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my slick back bun. Okay? So before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, check out my description box, and follow me on my social media platforms. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So, I am natural, as you can tell, boo. I've been dang, bruh. Hold up. Don't y'all hate when, like, you get, like, an eyelash or something stuck in your eye? Well, like I was saying, I am natural. I've been natural for 2 years. No, y'all, I know y'all probably wondering, well, if you're natural, why your hair just looking like this and you've been natural 2 years? Boo. Let me tell you. I was in the TWA stage for a year. I kept getting my hair cut. And then last February, March, I got my last haircut to be a TWA. And then I started growing my hair out. This back part was not this long. Like, look at that. Let me go close so you can see. Look at that. Period, boo. Period. These are the products that you will need, and I need to get my products because they just all over the place at this point. First thing you're gonna need is a comb, a wide tooth comb, boo. Do not get a small rat tail comb. Preferred hair moisturizer. I used the can too. The next product you're gonna need is your preferred type of styling gel. I use the Eco Style olive oil. I use the Murray's Edge Wax. Also, we're going to be using something new that I've never used, but I've seen people who have used this in their hair and it says it helps grow your hair. So I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil in my hair. I got this out the cooking section, so we'll see. Because if your girl hair fall out, I'll be made. But this is the olive oil that I'm using. Thing I'm gonna do is detangle. The first thing I'm gonna go in is with this olive oil. What the hell is that? So I'm just gonna pour some in my hand. Ooh, it's thick. Just massage it into my scalp. I don't like the smell of it. Hell no. I do not like the smell of that. Just a little bit of this, not too much. So now I'm just gonna comb that everything out. I am a lazy naturalist, big time, and I don't fucking care either. Now, since our hair is prepped, we're going to take our Eco Style and we're going to apply it. So, I start off about like that much. Not too much. I usually split my hair in the middle. And then I'll go right here. Start off right up in here in the middle. And lay that down. And then on the other side, I apply some. period. I'm gonna let this sit for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna put on my bun, and then we're gonna do our baby hairs, and that's gonna be it. But before we go, make sure to check me out on TikTok, because your girl finna be TikTok famous. Stop playing with me, boo. And add me on Snapchat, add me on Insta. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you. Make sure to check out my description box. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check out my other videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe. And I love you guys, and thank you for supporting me.